Tired of the endless search for your essentials? Imagine a world where your keys, wallet, or even your child's backpack are always just a tap away. That's the magic of Apple AirTags. AirTags are designed for ultimate convenience. With a simple one-tap setup, they instantly connect to your iPhone or iPad. Just attach one to anything you want to keep track of. For travelers, secure your luggage. Families can track backpacks or shared items. Everyday users will love finding misplaced keys or wallets with ease. Lost something nearby? Play a sound on the AirTag's built-in speaker or ask Siri for help. For select iPhone models, precision finding guides you right to your item with incredible accuracy. Even if your item is far away, the vast Find My network of Apple devices helps locate it. Your privacy is protected, as all communication is anonymous and encrypted. AirTags are built to last, featuring IP67 water and dust resistance. The replaceable battery keeps going for over a year, so you don't have to worry about constant charging. This 4-pack ensures you have one for all your most important belongings. Stop the stress of lost items. Grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack now and gain peace of mind. Find them on Amazon via the product link in our description. Like this video, share it with a friend who needs this, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.